Hey guys, welcome back. So I thought I'll share with you guys what I got from Dollar Tree today. I really wanted to go to see what they took out for summer, spring, summer kitchen stuff, and they didn't really have any. So hopefully in the next couple weeks they will have some kitchen stuff. But I am gonna show you guys some of the little things that I picked up. So yeah, one thing that I didn't need whatsoever, well, two things I should say, is soda. I picked up soda. My guilty pleasure is root beer, and I also very much love cream soda. So they were in the front, so I was like, all right, I'm gonna get that. All right, and then I also I love the Crayola mess-free stuff. You guys know that if you've been here for a while. So I actually saw some of these and I picked some up. I thought this was an amazing deal for $125. It's 8 coloring pages and 3 markers, which I thought was a really good deal. Again, $125. I bought multiple, to take them out sparingly here and there. I did get her some stickers. I got her some Encanto stickers. I hope you guys can even see them. I did take one out of the packaging because as soon as we got here, she was already telling me to open them. But you can see, but they're super duper cute. And she loves her stickers, so this one, and it's like 4 in 1 pack, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. I got 2, so one's going hidden away. And then I also got her this. I've never seen this actually before there, and it is basically a coloring case, again from Crayola, and it includes 40 coloring pages, 4 crayons, and obviously the case. And this is what it looks like when you actually take it out. And I thought that was like, that's so cute. I love it. It's really good. I feel like I could just throw it in the diaper bag. I'm gonna leave one probably in the car. I feel like this is just a good item to have. Again, I bought 2, so this is already gonna be in use or in the car. She did already open this one as well. I should have got more just to have for like the future, like next year, Easter and stuff, but I didn't. And it is again Crayola, and it's an activity pack. Includes 30 coloring pages and 4 crayons. But the thing I really like about this one is that it's like an actual notebook, and then it has a twist up crayons, which I absolutely loved as a kid, and I feel like they're just safer, I guess you could say, and it'll kind of teach them also how to twist it up. I really wish I would have got more of these, but I only got 2 of these. $125. Steal. All right, and then I did get for my munchkin, since this year we are definitely gonna have her be outside as much as we possibly can. If you've been here for a while, she doesn't sleep well, so we are incorporating being outside a lot more to hopefully she sleeps more, less TV, more activities, just like we grew up as kids, right? It is what it is. This world, we have so much electronics, so I really want her to be outside a lot more. I hope we don't lose sunlight. So I did get her this. She did actually open it. It's basically a baseball and a little ball. She was already playing with it. They had a blue one, and they also had like a pink one. I went for the green one. I just think it's prettier. But yeah, I got her this. That's again gonna go outside. And I also got her this one. She wanted me to open this one, but I said no because of the balls, and I might have to put away the balls. I don't think she'll put it in her mouth, but I prefer to have this outside where I know she won't put it in her mouth, and we're definitely like, on her, watching her. And it's like for her to golf. I love that it has 2 of the sticks, so that when my best friend comes and her son can play with that together. So I got that. And then I did get 2 of these. One of these I'm gonna keep in the car for if we go to the park on a late afternoon or something. And they're basically beach balloons. And they have like a little glow stick inside, so it basically lights up. I thought this is really, really cool personally. I got a yellow and a green one. I thought this was cool, and I think she will enjoy it because she loves balls. So she'll probably be like super excited. Also with the same thing, they did have a full aisle of 4th of July stuff. We don't have 4th of July in my house. We always had it at my sister-in-law's house, so I don't really buy stuff for it. But I did get these like light up balls. They're little ones, red, white, and black. Red, white, and blue, which I just thought they were really, really cute. Again, things I know she will be excited and enjoy. to play with. I also got these. They do light up. I don't have batteries right now with me on hand, but these light up. I did see a video on these. She like does Dollar Tree hauls and stuff, and she actually said to use this. Like we have it like the long things on our garage, where our little porch-ish area outside is, and she actually used it around it, so not necessarily to jump rope. It's basically like light up, and I even thought maybe I could put this on the stroller so it could light up a little bit, even if we do like save one for next year, if when we do go to Disney, put this on the stroller to kind of know what stroller is ours, even though my daughter hates the stroller, but I just thought it was kind of cool to have. All right, so let's continue with the outdoor stuff before I get into something else. My husband did pick up a couple things for outdoors. He got, these are the scented sticks for outdoor use. I believe these also help keep the bugs away. He's such a dork. He's like, how many do you want? And well, how many should I get? And I said 4 because it's an even number. Got 3. This one. Normally it does get some solar little lights. We have our expensive ones, but we like having little ones here and there. And we got these very simple ones. Oh, we're gonna try to do a little bit more like a garden kind of thing. So he got some of these. I've been dying to do this. So he got some red hot. I think he got a couple of these, but he got thyme, cilantro, tomatoes. I think this is parsley. I can't see the other side. Oregano, and I think he got some more red hot. Yeah, obviously we're Hispanic, so. But we'll see. I've always wanted to have like my own little thing back there. We just haven't been able to when we bought the house because of the situation. And then he got a bucket. Putting that right back in there. I did need some gloves. So I got these for when I like do chicken and stuff like that. And then I love these for when I am washing dishes. You guys, I've been buying large this whole time. I did not know they have medium. Did not know that. So I got that. All right. Then I got myself a portable screwdriver. I think this is awesome to have attached to my keys, just in case like something that she has as a toy needs batteries or something. I just thought it was handy. I also picked up this guy. It's supposed to be for phone cases. I do have the one from like I believe it's for pacifiers, and it's from Jujube, but I decided to get this cheap one for the reason I'm going to attach this to my diaper bag and put my Neosporin and the bandages here and have it outside of the bag for emergencies, fast access, and I can get to it right away. I just thought that that's just a smart way to do it. Got some hand sanitizer, by the way. If you're looking at what this is, we didn't go inside a Target. My daughter was not having it, so my husband went in and just got our creamer, which we get all the time, and you guys see my hauls. You guys know we love this creamer. It is my favorite, hands down. My favorites. The reason that we really wanted to go to the dollar store is I wanted to see if I found some stuff for Mother's Day. I want to do a Mother's Day basket for my mother-in-law and my mom. So mom, if you're watching this, exit out now. So my mom is more, I guess you could say, sentimental and like meaningful things behind the things I get. So for her, it's so much easier for me to shop for because it's like I know she likes this. Or I don't know, I just feel like she's easier to shop for. My mother-in-law's more materialistic. I ain't like that, and I'm not girly, so well, I am like skincare girly, but like other like skin and makeup. Other than that, I don't really know. But I'm gonna see what my husband decides to get for her to put in here, but I'm getting majority of my mom's stuff, and I'll show you guys what I end up putting in my mom's. I might show you what I put in my mother-in-law's. I don't really know. But I did tell him to pick out balloons, so he picked out these balloons. He picked out the same ones. I did pick out a card for my mom. And then again, I did want to get some skincare stuff for them. So I saw these and I thought they were really, really cute. So I got 4. So basically 2 for one for my mom and one for my mother-in-law. It's the jade roller, and this one is for like the chin and the eyes and stuff like that. Those things are really, really good for you. And then I got, again, my mom likes stuff like this. So I got Mom, You're the Best for my mom. Didn't get anything from my mother-in-law like that because my husband's like, she's not gonna like that. I'm like, yeah, not gonna get it for her then. And then my mom actually loves word puzzles. I was gonna get her a small one to put like in her purse, but then I thought about it and I was like, she works from home, so this would be beneficial for her. And I think she will really, really enjoy this. And then I got 2 baskets. I wish they had pink, but they didn't. So they have a yellow and a red. My mom's favorite color is red, just like me. So I'm gonna give my mom this one and my mother-in-law this one. And then I just got some tissues. To fill in the bottom of the bag. Yeah, I have a lot too. Like, I didn't want to get too much, so I got a smaller basket, but I do want to get a couple things in there. Again, my mom's a lot easier to shop for, so my mom's will probably be really packed. And I'm gonna let my husband figure out what he's gonna give his mom. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys have found at your Dollar Tree, and what I should look for and keep an eye for. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.